gonna cook up a custom block that toggles light and dark mode using the interactivity API, and then it'll allow us to switch between color schemes. So I have this dark mode thing out. So that's all the setup that we need to do. So now let's get into this. So I harassed him to help me with this, and there's actually we're using some pretty cool features in the theme setup here. So we're gonna add this code to output some CSS using the head hook. So what it's going to do is this is going to add this color scheme light dark to the site. And this is Justin Tadlock at his finest. He is an amazing, smart, eloquent, good looking, amazing dude. So we're going to build a block that uses the interactivity API, or EAPI as I like to call it, to manage its state and update the color scheme as needed. So this is the most important part. So if we don't do this, the block parser doesn't understand that this is supposed to be interactive, and so it won't add any of the data or the directives or anything like that. Now there is some, you can't run blocks that are interactive and non-blocks that are interactive in the same build process, because it doesn't work. All the CSS and everything is all just in there, and it's handling it well. So cool. So we have something called state, and that handles all state things, including like returning state, generating state, creating derived state, stuff like that. So it's just going to be color scheme. Right, now that that's in place, wunderbar, wunderbar, wunderbar. So we have moving slides. Yay! So I have 10 slides. So you can see that now this is disabled because I have 2 slides. So this button is disabled. I cannot do anything with it. This button now becomes also disabled because there's no previous slide. And it's just going to just keep rotating through. All right, so we should be able to test this. And this should, okay. So we should now have this just continually go through, right? Which is kind of cool.